Hi guys, welcome to another Surfway 1943 video. This one is part 6 of my depot layout build update. I know it's been a while since I've done an update. There hasn't been much going on with the layout over the past month or so. What has gone on is, obviously, as you know, we have the Hornby Great Western Old Oak Common Limited Edition HST set, which has got the MTU TTS twin pack installed. Very good sound files. Just need to probably revamp the speakers. Got that for one of my Christmas during the Christmas period. While I was out during the Christmas periods, I bought the Bachmann Class 5703 Freightliner Evolution. That's one of my videos recently gone on because there is a problem with the sound files on there. If you want to check out the video and see what you think. Also, I've got the Class 47 Tamar from Bachmann as well, while I was out on a shopping visit. And again, the Class 37 in Dutch livery. That one was purchased while I was out shopping. You've all seen the Virgin HST. Also, a new member to the fleet is the Class 08 from Hornby with factory fitted DCC sound. Really good loco. Also, we've got the 2 fuel points. I've come to be on the depot now. All I need now is the fuel point, the fueling tanks, which will be going where that tablet is. They will be coming. I will be getting them in April. My wife's already got them packed away for my birthday. Also, as you can see, the retaining walls have gotten bigger. And as you can see, they are, well, they're not connected yet, but as you can see, they are now going through to the tunnel. I've rebuilt the tunnel. I bought another pack of one of the Metcalf kits. And as you can see now, it's pretty dark in there. If I just borrow this light for a minute, excuse the noise. It has been ballasted so far into the tunnel. Now, do you guys think that that could do with more ballast inside? Please let me know on that one. As also, you can also see, oops, sorry about the camera there. We've done a bit more ballasting. Ballast did finish there, and I've now ballasted under the and also, excuse the paper, that will be, there's a pencil line there, that will be cut down so it just rests on the town scene. That will be painted like a brown earth colour, and then that's going to be like a like a disused grass area. So that's going to be something that's going to be coming to the layout. The retaining walls have also started there to come along this section. Also, I've had a few pieces of cards where I've marked out how I'm going to have my tunnel. Obviously, those 2 bits will be thingied there, and they will be redone eventually with the Metcalf stone brick wall. Also, we have on the insides that one there, which is still standing, and wherever it's gone, that one there, which should be in there, like so. No, it's not standing up properly, but that will be up the top there. Not too sure how I'm going to work this bit up here. I might just stone brick it. I'm not 100% sure on that. But as you can see, the ballasting has worked its way down to the bridge area. The bridge is going to have to move very slightly this way by about a couple of inches. Simple fact is, as you can see, the walls are extremely close to the edge of the platform. So I am going to be moving them about an inch or two further ahead, because I have still got to get, oops, bang that, signals in the front of before the platforms. Yes, I could get platform mounted ones, but I would prefer them to be on the ground. What else have we been up to? Thanks to somebody that I subscribed to, Charlie at Chadwick, I've now started making my own folder. So as you can see, you've got all my loco set numbers, and obviously it tells you, obviously, class 43 HSC digital delivery with sounds. Turn it over. Each one of these is a little brochure for every loco that is on that sound. These dividers will be marked like number 2, what the loco is, and obviously in here you've got the maintenance, the sound files. That's for the HST MTU engine, and as you can see, there is a lot of sound functions on there. And you know, also on with this HST, we all know now the HSTs have stopped on the Great Western Main Line, but they are running in a 4-car formation from Exeter through to Penzance. And thanks to Dave, I think it is, at Hatton's, he's looked it up for me that I need those 4 from Hornby, which are coming out soon. And also I've been looking at, you know, the sets that are running in the Devon area at the moment. The one I was particularly looking and hoping was 43194, but that doesn't seem to be running in the Devon area. So if anybody knows where 43194 is running just lately, can you please let me know? So yeah, I mean, there you go. There's my book with all me DCC locos all written down. And again, that's thanks to Charlie at Chadwick. Something else that I've done. This is now the start for the big push for electrifying the points. I have now, let's turn that off, now drawn out on a 40 centimetre by 60 centimetre, well, it's not one piece of paper, but obviously it's pieces being put together. That is my complete track plan for this layout. Because what is going to happen is I've looked for how I'm going to do a control panel. I've seen a nice piece of coloured perspex that I like, and car lining tape that I'm going to use for, like, obviously the track, and that's obviously going to be, you know, situated around here somewhere. So that's all ready to be traced onto the perspex when I get it. Hopefully, now the big push is, like I said, the big push is for electrification of the points. And what I've done so far is we've got a power supply, which is 12 volt, which is one of those ones that you can alter the voltage with a CDU on the end of it, one of Gauge Master's capacitor discharge units. That's thanks to people that I've been watching on YouTube. Also in here we have got one of the packs of spade connectors that will join onto the bottom of the point motors and also onto the bottom of the switches there. I've got 2 packs of the switches so far. I need one more pack, because I think I've got about 13 or 14 points. I've got all 3 packs of the mounting brackets for the point motors. So things are working at a pace to get all the points electrified. Hopefully that will be done for the end of this month, beginning of February. Myself and my wife are going to be purchasing the point motors, the accessory switches, the other pack of switches that I need, and light bulbs, not light bulbs, but LEDs, because as you know, there is a point under there. Now, obviously, with the switch being one of the ones that you go like that and release, and it goes back to the centre point, and go, you know, you're not going to know which way the point's facing. So there will be an accessory switch on the bottom of the point motor underneath there. That will be wired to the control panel, and there'll be 2 LEDs on the control panel to show me whether it's going to be on for that track to come out the tunnel into the station, or whether it's going on that track to go into the tunnel from the station. Now, one thing that I have thought about is I might actually have these 2 lines bi-directional. Yes, I can get trains from platform 2, because this is platform 1, this is going to be platform 2. I can get trains to come out onto platform 2, onto the main line, and go that way. But I can't, and I can also get them to come from the tunnel into there. But I can't go straight from platform 2 straight into the depot. So sometimes I might have to bi-direction on this line to go this way, obviously into the station, and then back up into the yard, into the depot area. Now, as you can see, I've got the 08 shunter. Now, I'm trying to work out where would be a good place to have a little tiny siding for the 08. Now, I have been looking at this area here, where I could put a point here, run it towards the wall, and have it ending around here. What do you think, guys? Is that a good idea, or would you try and take it off of this one here? I haven't made up my mind. I could go that way, or I could go that way. Which way do you think would be best, guys? Bearing in mind the shunter, even if it's got that to be put there, it's got to go down into the station, traverse back for the depot. If it's there, it's got to reverse back, traverse into the station, and back along that way. Which one do you reckon would be best, guys? There or there? So we'll call this the west end. We'll call this the east end. So what do you reckon, guys? West or east for the shunter siding? Okay, guys, that's all I've got for you at the moment. Hopefully February will be a better update. If you do like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and feel free to share. Hope to see you in the next one, guys. Happy model railwaying, and see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.